Alright, what's going on, guys? This is my PC build. So this is an instructional on how to build a really good computer. So first of all, you just want to get a flathead and some tire glue. The tire glue is going to be used to secure some things down nicely. But let's just first test fit this processor. So this is an Intel processor. So it fits in there pretty well. Yep. And just so we can get that nice and snug, we will tire glue that. Okay. And for better connection, we're going to be flattening the pins. This helps with, there we go. This helps with faster speeds, so I can get higher overclocks. It's really, really helpful to me. Yeah, there we go. That's a better camera angle. So we all want to flatten them both directions. That helps the overclocks flow better. Otherwise, it's just kind of, it slows down the system. We are going to be putting this 700 watt in here. This will be going right in the bottom, right over here in the drive bay. And that should work perfectly and have plenty of space. We're going to be using 8 gigs of DDR3. This is some fast RAM, a whole 1600 megahits. You have to make sure you install it the correct direction. So, I got this backwards real quick. And it's going to be a snug fit. You'll want to get your vice grips and just... Oh, it came out. 1 second, my bad. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. See, that's nice and snug in there. Now we can lock our processor in that the RAM's in. Okay, get that down. That's a good crunch. Here's our Wi-Fi card. This should just pop right out so we can check it out. Let's get this flathead. You don't need to take the screw out, it'll come out on its own. It might be a little difficult, but don't worry about that. Here's that doesn't want to come out right now, but that's okay. I can just kind of take these. There we go. So that gets our Wi-Fi card out. We won't be needing this because this case doesn't have Wi-Fi built into it. So the Wi-Fi card is unnecessary. Otherwise, this case is pretty good. Let's just cool everything off here. Okay, so now we'll be good to install a graphics card. After we install the graphics card, it should be just fine and ready to boot. Here we've got a RTX 2090, and this should just fit in right here. Oh gosh dang it, I forgot to remove that. Okay, we'll be soft mounting this in the drive bay as well. So this should be able to do ray tracing at least 15 FPS. And to make it go a little bit faster, we will install a Mobil 1 Hot Wheels car. We're going to have to measure out the CPU. I forgot to measure it out. Okay. Gotta power on the calipers. Gotta zero them out. And as you can see, so Intel's been on 14 nanometer for a while, but this is a 37 nanometer processor, as you can see, or no, 36.5 nanometer. I don't know what the disadvantages are to that. Ooh, I see some imperfections on this chip. I just gotta clean these off. That's better. It's not perfect, but it's better. That should run a little bit better now. I'm hoping to get about 10 gigahertz out of this. If I don't, I'm going to be fairly disappointed, and I will write a bad Yelp review. A duct for good measure. What else do we need? Oh yeah, we need a rangefinder. That will help the computer like locate drive space better. Speaking of drives, we're gonna put this very compact. What is this? A 500 gig. So that should be able to store at least one copy of Call of Duty. After that, I'm not sure. I don't know if it can fit Windows on there after Call of Duty. I want to play Cold War and Warzone, but those are going to be a lot of big installs. So we might not be able to fit Windows on the computer, which is fine. We can just run it on its own. But otherwise, this computer build's done. Thank you for watching.